How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individual and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your browser and dive into Temu.com. As you can see, this is the website and we have here a various products. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is just scroll down like that and click over here, affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before you scroll down to know important information and notes. We have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program, join, share and earn. Also we have here some questions like what is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commission rewards? And if you want to get your answers, you can just click over here in each question like that. Then you can just come back at the top and get started. You can inscription with putting your email or phone number here, or you can choose other option like unscript sign up with Google, Facebook, App Store or other options. So after inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get commission whatever they buy, but they will get $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also, you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share and earn. Moreover, there is some ways to earn money on Temu. Selling physical ways to earn money on Temu. First of all, we have selling physical products, list and sell items such as handmade crafts, apparel, electronics or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Then we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. We have also providing services. Offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. Finally, we have affiliate marketing. Promote other sellers' products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referrals, links, and utilize social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. We have also drop shipping. Set up a drop shipping business where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Here we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. Example, we have handmade jewelry. For products, we have handcrafted bracelets, Nicholas, and Aaron's. About description, we have detailed descriptions, highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. About image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. About pricing, we have competitive pricing based on materials cost, time invested, and market demand. Then we have offering digital products. Example, let's give in online courses. About online courses, we have products, courses on graphic designs, coding, or personal development. About descriptions, we have courses syllabus, learning, objective, and benefit for students. About delivery, we have digital downloads or access draw, a learning management system. About pricing, we have one time free or subscription based access to course materials. Then we have providing services. Example, we have freelance rating. About service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. About description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. About pricing, we have per word or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. Then we have affiliate marketing. Example, let's give in teach gadgets. Product we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. About method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. About commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. About content, we have write reviews, unboxing, or how to get to guides to attract potential buyers. Then we have shipping. Example, we have home decor items, product trendy home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting suppliers. Partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefronts, we have create a branded online store showcasing the products. Then we have marketing, use social media, ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. We have also customer service. We have handled customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. Making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online business. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, you can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.